Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home products. Today, we have a game changer for those looking to heat their basements efficiently and comfortably. Introducing the Mr. Heater Cleveland Ironworks PS130W-CIW Large Pellet Stove, a true marvel of heating technology. Stick around as we delve into its features, benefits, and why it's the best pellet stove for basements on the market. The PS130W-CIW comes with a whopping 130 pounds hopper capacity. That means fewer refills and longer, uninterrupted heating for your basement. What sets this pellet stove apart is its built-in Wi-Fi capability. You can control your heating from anywhere in your house through the Smart Stove app, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Its heating made it smart and convenient. No one wants a noisy heater. With the Whisper Quiet Blower technology, you can enjoy the warmth without the noise. Curl up with your family in peace. This pellet stove is designed to heat 2,000 to 3,000 square feet, making it perfect for basements of various sizes. Say goodbye to chilly corners and drafty spaces. IRS Biomass Stove Tax Credit? It's not only efficient but also a wise investment for your home. There you have it, folks. The Mr. Heater Cleveland Ironworks PS130W-CIW Large Pellet Stove. With its remarkable features, smart technology, and impressive heating capacity, is undoubtedly the best pellet stove for your basement. Don't let the cold keep you from enjoying your basement space. Make a smart investment in your home's comfort with this fantastic pellet stove. If you want to learn more or get your hands on this incredible pellet stove, check the links in the description below. As always, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who are looking for the ultimate heating solution for their basements. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for a better life. Stay warm, and we'll see you in the next video.